Okay, the final production is biodegradable toilet roll. Now please check the surface, the 3D emboss. Beautiful and gorgeous. Please check. Like cotton. And this inside. The current sample is 2 play. We also can customize 3 play or 4 play. And whatever the size, the roll height, and the spice, we can customize for you. When I press the hole, you can feel. Not so fluffy, not so fluffy, and not so tight. Just the middle fluffy. This is so popular for America and Canada. The regular size is 180 grams per roll. If you're interested, we can customize for you. Thank you.